Hello. Today, as you can see, I have a piece of Ballistics Gel, homemade, and I'm going to be shooting it with 3 air guns. First one is my airsoft sniper. Darn it, that was a miss. What is going on here? Alright, looks like that one hit. We have one in. Next up is the CO2 air gun. Yep, that went in. And then, last but not least, is the pump master. And for looks of it, I think that one went. Did that go through? I'm gonna shoot it one more time. All right, here we go. That was a hit. And I believe it went all the way through. All right. Let's inspect the damage. So I don't know how accurate this is to human flesh, but from the looks of it, there's the BB from the airsoft gun. There's one pellet from the CO2 airsoft gun. And then, I don't know if you guys can't really see, but there is a shard from the other gun. Yeah, I can see. Each one leaves a little trail, and here is the pump master. Right out. Little tiny holes there. Alright. I believe that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.